guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh my goodness, I'm so hot. I've been filming so many videos already, but I'm super excited. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys the happy mail that Pam sent me. This is a package number, it's actually the first package she sent me, and then you guys already saw that smaller one. But since this one was bigger, I saved it, you know, kind of best for last. But I'm gonna go ahead and just start opening everything up. It's one of those big priority boxes, and I'm just gonna kind of open it up. And we're just gonna dive right in and dig into it. Pam, thank you so much. I am so grateful for everything. Thank you for always thinking of me. I'm gonna just start taking everything out one by one so we can see what we got in here. Alright, so the first thing we got are some folders. These are so pretty. So, you know, binders are good to have for planner girls, especially so that, you know, you can put like longer stickers, or just, you know, if you have a business, you can hold all your paperwork in them, and, you know, just having fun folders is always a great way to do it. But this one's super cute. It's like, it has like little fun umbrellas. Makes me want a pina colada. But that is so pretty. I love the blue. I love the color. This one is gorgeous. It is a Paris theme. If you want to take it apart and turn it into a happy planner dashboard, you can totally do that as well. That's a good idea. But this one is just so pretty. I love this Paris theme, and that blue umbrella is everything. This is a fun summer theme. It has the flamingo floaties, the watermelon, the pineapple, everything I love in one picture, and the flamingos, which is amazing. Super, super pretty. I love this so much. Pam, thank you so much. So here's another one. It says, "You are the best." I'm gonna go ahead and open up the card. Now I want a cupcake. Alright, so then she also sent another folder right here. I'm just going to go ahead and put everything right here. This one says, "Peace, love, and girl power." I love this color combination right here. Inside of it, she sent some more happy planner inserts. It says, "This week's goals." Oh my god, I love this one. Oh, and it's like a tri-folder. Look at how cool that is. Ideas. That is so cool. I love this. Thank you. Thanks, Pam. I love it. Alright, so then let's keep it moving. The next ones that she sent are stickers. So here we have this one. It says squishy stickers. They are squishy. I love them. I bet they smell. Oh, they do. They smell good. I knew they were going to smell good. And these are cute. This one is, these are like fun composition notebook stickers. I love these. And then she also sent some office inserts by Martha Stewart. These are disc-bound phone inserts. How cool is that? It has like pockets, like you could put your phone, a pen, and then you can put another little pocket up here. Oh, I love that. And it has the little, like the little holes look like the ones for the happy planner. I'm gonna have to try it and see if they fit. How awesome is that? Then she also sent these meal prep labels. She knows I do meal prep, especially for my boyfriend, because he's trying to stay as fit as can be, and he's trying to make me stay as fit as can be, so we meal prep a lot. But these are cute. These have recipe, ingredients, directions, and use by, and they come in different colors. Pam, oh, thank you so much. I love those. And then these are sticker labels, and these have 54 labels, and it says, "Don't eat food, don't eat my food." I need to put these on my chips, because my boyfriend's always eating my chips, especially my hot Cheetos. And then little label for lunches. This one says mom, right? I think it says mom. And then it says leftovers. How fun. Those are so cute. Alright, so then here we have more. Alright, so here we have some wildlife type of stickers. It's a little sticker book. And it has the little, oh my goodness, you guys see that elephant? She has flowers on her head. Then we have the tiger. The koala has glasses. Oh my gosh, that is so fun. So here we have more. We got the little pandas and the lizards, the alligators, and the lions and the hippos. How cute. I don't think till this day I've done a safari theme yet. I'm gonna have to like get on it. And then here we have, alright, so here we have Place and Time. It's summer paper crafting, and it's a little cardstock 6x6, and ooh, so it has like some fun summer patterns. Just gonna do a quick flip. So it has the little swimsuits, it has the water, it has the floaties, and it has these like confetti prints. How cute. I love that. And then here we have some more Place and Time stickers. These are chipboard shaped stickers, so they're like little pieces of board, but these are like little fun sunglasses. I love those. And then here we have some Place and Time stickers. These are some fun summer stickers. Look at how cute these are. Oh my goodness, I love these. Pam, thank you so much. And then over here she sent me a set of inserts. These are Dream Big. These look like they're a personal size, and these are folders. How cute. I'm gonna go ahead and open it just because I want to see what the prints look like. Here we have a Dream Big. I love that purple, almost looks like a galaxy theme. Then we have the pineapple theme. Life is made of small moments like this, in blue, of course. Then we have this one that looks like paint. Then we have a little folder. It says work hard, play hard. Yes. Oh, this one's so pretty. There are so many beautiful reasons to be happy. I love that. How cute is that? Thank you, Pam. I say it a lot. I know I say it a lot, but I'm so grateful. Thank you so much. This is so sweet. So, so sweet. Alright. Let's go ahead and pop that in there. I forgot. Here we have another little set. These are, I think these are bags. I'm going to go ahead and open them up. I think these are like little loop bags, but we in the planning community use it for packaging. So here we have, yep, some little loop bags in different colors. I have a whole little bin with like bags and plastic bags, and again, it's all for pretty packaging. When sending Happy Mail, you can make these into little like flip envelopes, or what do you call those? Pocket loaded pockets. Yep, I haven't done one of those in a really long time. But here we have the light purple, then we have the pink, we have the yellow, we have the red, the lime green, and then the blue. And then here we have some really, really pretty turquoise envelopes. Look at how cute these are. Gorgeous. I love those. I see some chips. Oh my goodness. Alright, so then we have a donut pen. That is so cute. I love that. Here we have another set of pens. Oh my gosh, yes. Pam, you know the two. So Pam had sent me, she sent me these, and I've been using these for work. Literally all of the ones that I had ran out of ink because I used them so much. So here we go. I got extras because I loved these so much. I even took the one I gave to my daughter because I loved it so much, and I was like, give me, I need it because it writes so nice on my notebooks, and I write a lot for work now. So oh my god, now I got extras. Yay, I love these. And I've been putting my pens to use, you guys, because now that I write a lot for work, I've been able to use all the pens you guys have been sending me. So then here we have another one in pink. Here's another donut pen. Those are so cute. Novelty pens. Oh my gosh, she sent me a big bag of hot Cheetos. I literally just finished the one I had. I love it, Pam. Thank you so much. I am going to devour these with some limon. Oh my god, I love it. Yummy. I love that. I think I'm more excited about the chips. Alright, then we have some little scissors. These are little detailing scissors. I love how sharp they look, and I can't wait to try them out. They're in pink. Super cute. And then here we have some more stuff. This one's gonna try to take everything out. Alright, what else we got? Okay, I think that's everything that's in the box. Alright, so she also sent me some Happy Planner rings. Ooh, and these are in gold. It says these are expander rings, and they are for the Happy Planner, and you get 9 pieces. And in gold, and it has the shape of the little heart. How cute! Pam! Oh my gosh, thank you so much. And then here she sent me another gorgeous pen. This one's beautiful. It's in blue and pink, and it says, for important note-taking. How gorgeous is that? I love it. Alright, so then here we go. She sent something else. Maybe I should open my little scissors and try to, whoa, put it to use really quick. Ooh, look at that. That cuts nicely. She wrapped it so good. It must be like breakable. Go ahead and... Pam, I love everything. Thank you so much. Oh, I love this. I love everything. I'm so grateful. Thank you. My boyfriend keeps telling me to stop eating hot Cheetos, and I was like, if I'm gonna cheat, I'm gonna cheat with hot Cheetos. Don't forget that. Alright. It looks like a coffee mug. Alright. Yum. Let's get this baby open. It is another coffee mug for my collection. And it's a Disney one. Oh, my heart. Oh, thank you so much. So it has Donald, Goofy, Minnie, and Mickey. Here we have another little coffee mug for my coffee mug collection. I love it, Pam. Thank you so much. And she also, you guys, she lives really close. Well, she's not too far from like Disney World and all that, so I envy her so much because I love Disney World. But look at how cute she sent the keychain with the Mickey. Oh my goodness, that's so pretty. Can you see that? Pam, thank you. Alright, you guys, we got one more. One more. Here we go. I love these tiny little scissors already. They work so good. Alright, let's see what we got here. Last one. Ooh, she sent this super cute pouch. It is a mini office kit. How cute. It's so pretty. I love that. Oh my goodness, I love the color. It's like a super soft pink. It matches my little Planner Society handbag, which I've been taking everywhere, and everybody's been complimenting me on it. It says office tools. How cool is that? It feels so nice. The material is gorgeous. It has a gold zipper, a white lining. Pam, I love this. This is what the inside looks like. It has these fun colors. It has like an ivory with the blue and the yellow that I was using a lot in my tassels, and the soft pink. Oh my goodness, I just can't get over how good the material feels. And then let's see what's in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and just open it. So here we got a little tape container in gold. How cool is that? Here we have the tape refill. And then here we have a little pencil, mechanical pencil. I use these all the time when I'm making my TNs. And then we got some little post or sticky notes. And then over here we have the little stapler. I forgot to take out the staples. Then we have staples. How cute is that? And then we have a gold stapler. That is the tiniest thing ever. I love it. And then we got some binder clips. I love these. I love the size. Here we got 3 of them. How freaking cool is this? And then scissors. I want to say these are scissors. Watch me cut myself. Oh, okay. Oh, how cool is that? I want to cut something. Wow, that cuts really nice. Look at that. Oh my god, that's so cool. How do you put it back together? There we go. Wow, it looks like little glasses. Pam, thank you so much. I loved everything. That's pretty much it, you guys. I'm so grateful. Again, you guys know what to do. Let Pam know in the comments down below how amazing she is. Thank you guys for watching today's video and hanging out with me. I hope you've been enjoying all the videos I've been putting out. If you guys have any ideas for videos, anything that you guys want to see, leave it in the comments down below. I'm taking suggestions. Open to anything and everything. I love you guys so much. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.